Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at FSM Smart. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. FSM Smart is operated by FSM Smart Limited and is a popular choice for hedging and trading derivatives in more than 140 countries. This broker offers commission-free trading and tight spreads on a variety of Forex pairs, commodities, futures, shares, and indices. As a client, you will have access to a dedicated account manager, multilingual customer support, diverse accounts, and more. FSM Smart provides beginner-friendly educational guides, interactive courses, video tutorials, and in-depth market reports. FSM Smart offers more than 600 instruments, including over 50 Forex pairs, metals, commodities, indices, and shares. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 400 when trading with FSM Smart. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with FSM Smart, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Spreads and Conditions page. If you need any assistance, you can reach the FSM Smart customer support team via email or telephonically. You can also submit a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. FSM Smart provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Research tab. To learn more about this broker's margin requirements, trading hours, as well as the instruments and trading conditions offered, hover your cursor over the Trading tab. You can choose an option from the Accounts menu for more information about the accounts you can open, and you will find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit, if you do decide to join this broker. As a FSM Smart client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. This platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read, interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. There are 5 types of accounts that you can open with FSM Smart. This broker also offers demo accounts and swap-free accounts. when you open an Islamic swap free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners. This account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Once you are ready to open a live account, you can choose from 5 account types, from beginner accounts to professional accounts. The beginner and silver accounts have floating spreads, but you can trade with fixed spreads if you open a gold, gold plus, or platinum account. All accounts get access to an account manager, daily analysis, and 24-hour support. The gold, gold plus, or platinum accounts are designed for more experienced traders, and you can make free bank wire deposits when using these accounts. The beginner account requires a deposit of $250. However, all other accounts have higher minimum requirements, and should only be opened if you have plenty of trading experience. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions FSM Smart offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with FSM Smart will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the FSM Smart homepage and then click on the Get Started button. What you'll want to do next is complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified and approved, you can log in to their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or a withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. A minimum deposit of $250 is required to open an account with FSM Smart, and your account can be funded using bank cards, wire transfer, and cryptocurrencies. Deposits and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. FSM Smart provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using a demo account, so there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, FSM Smart offers flexible accounts and competitive trading conditions on hundreds of instruments. FSM Smart is a popular choice for hedging and trading derivatives, and this broker provides a great selection of educational resources and trading guides. You can start trading from $250 when you open an account with FSM Smart, and you will also have the option of using a demo account or a swap-free account. FSM Smart seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of FSM Smart. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.